Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy Mediterranean chickpea salad using just these 6 ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have all of the step-by-step instructions as well as loads of variations for ingredients that you can include as well as or instead of my 6 that I've got here. But as you know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I love really simple, easy recipes and then lots of adaptations so you can make it your own. So let me talk you through the ingredients we've got today. We've got tomatoes, we've got feta, but you could use goat's cheese instead, or you can just skip it if you want it to be a vegan salad, or use a vegan alternative if you want. We've got olive oil, Spanish extra virgin olive oil over there. We've got a can of organic chickpeas, and I'm using a lemon and a red onion over there. But as I said, there's loads of other ingredients you can include to just give your own personal spin to a Mediterranean salad. You can include olives or cucumber, peppers. There's just loads of different ways. You can even add pasta in, or gluten-free, or a low-carb alternative to really make it a big, huge meal. But I found this makes a lovely lunch. So we're going to get on and prepare our salad and mix all the ingredients together. Start by popping all the chickpeas into a bowl. I've drained and rinsed them really well. And then we'll add in tomatoes. I've chopped up the tomatoes as much as you want, as little as you want. And same goes for the red onion. I've just chopped it up very roughly. So just include as much or as little as you like. And then you can either crumble or just roughly cube the feta and add that into. And now for dressing, I'm just going to use the lemon and the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to give a squeeze to half a lemon and just doing it over a sieve to catch any pips. I just like lemon and extra virgin olive oil, just there we go. So we didn't end up with any pips in our salad. And then it's up to you how much olive oil you want to bring it all together. I'll start with a tablespoon, drizzle it over. I think that'll probably be enough. And then we'll give it all just a really good toss through. And I find this salad benefits from a while in the fridge, just kind of softens up the ingredients and all the flavors mingle together, and it's just beautiful. But there you go, that is my perfect Mediterranean chickpea salad. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try and what variations you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!